Hi, it's Roseanne. Welcome back to Amore Van. We just finished up the 2024 Embassy rally, and we'd like to give you some highlights of the weekend.
Daddy wants to take me down to Muhlenberg County by the Green River where it does ice.
Alrighty, so we're going to kick this off. It is great to see everybody. Our second year at EB Pines. It's incredible. The weather's incredible. We have such a great group. I mean, it's just, we are just tickled to do what we do and be able to offer the things that we offer and see the joy in everybody as you travel and enjoy this wonderful life. So, you know, we are so proud to be a part of this. I just have to tell you. So,
Why, hello. How's it going?
I'm well, and yourself?
I'm doing well. Do you have an embassy?
This is the content that people tune in for.
Yeah. This is why we get paid the big bucks.
So it's rolling in. Here comes the Embassy Cape Cod. A brand new model. We're all so proud of this vehicle. I can tell you there's been a lot of hard work put into it. So it's a beautiful, beautiful RV.
The number is 66-10166. I want to thank each and every one of you from the bottom of my heart for all the wonderful emails, messages through Facebook, and the in-person greetings. It's been my pleasure, my joy to serve every one of you. Thank you.
So Rob Hume had reached out to me and said that he wanted to surprise you on behalf of all of Embassy RV owners and wannabes with a lovely card and a lovely gift.
Thank you so much.
What a great weekend it was. As always, if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. We hope you found this helpful, and we'll see you next time here on Amore Van.